Hi everyone, my name is Eustaquio Baez Núñez. Subject English A2FLNA Activity Integrative Project ID BNL095710 Bachelor Degree Logistic Engineering Apodaca, Nuevo León, April 6, 2025. Develop a script in English where you explain a situation. It can be real life or from an experience you have had in the office or in your everyday life where you use compound nouns to describe situation, comparative adjectives plus er and superlatives to highlight the difference or qualities you describe. Use the past progressive to describe an event from the past. Activity: A very hot day in Monterrey. Today, April 4, the temperature in Monterrey will exceed 38 degrees centigrade. So, it will be a very sunny day. So, we will have to suspend outdoor activities. If we have to go out, we will use sunscreen when exposed to the sun. You are right. You are right, the most careful person. Today is the hottest day I can remember. We must hydrate ourselves and thus reduce the risk of heat stroke. Older adults and children will have to drink plenty of fluids to avoid the risk of heat stroke. I remember that in the last 15 years the temperature did not exceed 35 degrees centigrade. The weather has been changed year by year. Temperatures of up to 14 degrees centigrade are forecast for this summer. Yesterday on television they predict that the heat wave will bring a high probability of fires. Thanks.